हेलो 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 गाइस, एक नई वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं अभय और करंटली आई एम लिविंग इन नागासाकी और मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हूं, फुल टाइम वर्किंग हियर इन अ स्टार्टअप। और बहुत दिन से मैंने कुछ नया नहीं सीखा था। कुछ नया से मतलब मेरा ये है कि सेम ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, माई स्क्वेल मान स्टैक और ये सारी चीज़ें, पाइथन में भी थोड़ा बहुत मैंने डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशंस पे पाई क्यूटी वगैरह पे काम किया है। एंड डी एस ए भी मैं कर ही रहा हूँ साइड बाई साइड। तो डी एस ए भी मुझे उतना ज़्यादा नहीं आता बट थोड़ा बहुत आता है। तो मैंने सोचा कुछ नया सीखते हैं और मैंने बहुत बार ना ट्राई किया है विम सीखने का। लास्ट 2-3 साल में मैंने बहुत बार ट्राई किया है। मैं उबंटू पे भी शिफ्ट हुआ था जब, तभी मैंने ट्राई किया था विम सीखने का। बट विम मैं कभी उस लेवल का नहीं सीख पाया। ठीक है, मैं एनवी चैट, लेजी विम, ये सब भी मैंने ट्राई किया है बट नहीं हुआ। तो अब मैंने सोचा कि यार लेट्स गिव इट अनदर चांस। आज मेरे पास वीकेंड है, थोड़ा समय है, तो मैंने सोचा चलो कुछ 1-1.5 घंटा लगाता हूँ और सीखता हूँ। तो मुझे पता चला विम ट्यूटर के बारे में। हालांकि मुझे विम के लाइक नॉर्मल जो भी हम लोग ऑपरेशन डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस में काम करते हैं वो सब पता है। कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस वगैरह एडिट करना आता है सर्वर्स पे, वो सब करता हूँ मैं क्योंकि ज़रूरत पड़ती है बट काम में। लेकिन मैं सोच रहा था एक बार ढंग से ही जो विम ट्यूटर है उसको फॉलो करके सीख लिया जाए। सो ओके, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम लेट्स गेट इन टू द वीडियो। And yes, okay, so this is the command that we use. I am currently using Windows 11 but I have WSL installed on it. So kind of yeah, so it's kind of Linux environment, not kind of, like it's a Linux environment. And there is something called Vim tutor. There's this command and it will ask you to like generate a copy of this tutorial so that you can edit this tutorial and the real version is still intact. तो चलो भाई सीखते हैं। सबसे पहले Vim is a very powerful editor that has many commands too many to explain in a tutor such as this. This tutor is designed to describe enough of the commands that you will be able to easily use Vim as an all-purpose editor. The approximate time required to complete the tutor is 30 minutes. Okay, that's a good thing कि भाई 30 मिनट में Vim सीख लूँगा, मतलब भर को Vim सीख लूँगा। Okay, so depending upon how much time is spent with experimentation, the attention is that the commands in the lesson will modify the text. Make a copy of this file to practice on. ठीक है भाई, ये हो गया ये हो गया। अब सबसे पहला लेसन है हमारा मूविंग द कर्सर, जो कि मुझे पहले ही पता है। जे का मतलब होता है नीचे, के का मतलब होता है ऊपर, एल का मतलब होता है, सॉरी, एल का मतलब होता है राइट में, एंड एच का मतलब होता है वापस। ठीक है भाई, तो यही लिखा हुआ है। टू मूव द कर्सर प्रेस एच एज इंडिकेटेड। ठीक है भाई, एच की इज द लेफ्ट की and the L key is the right key and the J key, K key is the like up key and the J key is the down key. Okay, so move the cursor around the screen until you are comfortable. Okay, so now I am comfortable. I want to go down, I'll go do this. I want to go up, I'll do this. If I want to go right, I'll do this. If I want to go left, then I'll do this. I want to go down, I'll do this. I want to go up, I'll do this. And now I want to go right, I'll do this. And yeah, okay, so I am comfortable. The cursor keys should also work, but using HJKL will be able to move around much faster. Okay, so now let's come to lesson number 2. So like part 2 of lesson 1, which is exiting BIM. And believe me, जब हम लोग यूनिवर्सिटी में होते हैं तो ये हम लोग इतने डम होते हैं कि हमको एक सिंपल सा कमांड नहीं पता, जो कि है तुम्हारा, तुम नॉर्मल मोड में हो अभी, तो जैसे अभी आई अगर मैं प्रेस करूंगा तो तुम यहाँ पे जो मेरा कर्सर है यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो इंसर्ट लिख के आएगा। ये तुम्हारा इंसर्ट मोड है विम का। तो अब मैं इस फाइल में कुछ भी लिख सकता हूँ। तो इंसर्ट मोड में आप कमांड रन नहीं कर सकते, तो इसीलिए तुम्हें इंसर्ट मोड से बाहर आना पड़ेगा, जो कि स्केप बटन दबा के। एंड अब देखो यहाँ से जो इंसर्ट लिखा था वो गायब हो गया। उसके बाद में तुम्हारा जो कमांड है वो है कॉलन एंड क्यू। कॉलन क्यू का मतलब होता है क्विट, तो ये मैं करूँगा, ये क्विट हो जाएगा। फिर से मैंने स्टार्ट किया, ओके बट हाँ ओके ठीक है, स्टार्ट हो गया। तो हम लोग कहाँ थे, यहाँ पे थे। बिफोर एग्जीक्यूटिंग एनी ऑफ द स्टेप्स बिलो, रीड द एंटायर लेसन। ओके, प्रेस द एस्केप की टू मेक श्योर यू आर इन नॉर्मल मोड एंड टाइप दिस। ये टाइप करने से क्या होता है, जो एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क है इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हाँ मैं चाहता हूँ बाहर निकलना। तो ये कन्फर्मेशन को काइंड ऑफ यस या नो वाली जो कन्फर्मेशन आती है उसको दूर करने के लिए कि हाँ भाई फोर्सफुली मैं बोल रहा हूँ, चलो एग्जिट करो इसको। दिस एग्जिट्स द एडिटर डिस्कार्डिंग एनी चेंजेस यू हैव मेड। ठीक है, ये डिस्कार्डिंग के लिए है। अगर तुमने कोई चेंजेस बनाए हैं और तुम ये एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क नहीं डाल रहे हो तो मुझे नहीं मतलब लाइक, तो ये पूछेगा कि भाई तुमने चेंजेस किए हैं क्या, तुम सेव करना चाहते हो, नहीं सेव करना चाहते हो, समझ रहा हो। Now let's go to another point, which is like get back here by executing the command that you got into this Twitter. Oh, in this tutor, not Twitter. That might be Vim tutor. Okay, ठीक है, ये कर लिया हम लोगों ने। पहले हम लोग बाहर गए, फिर वापस अंदर आए. If you have these steps memorized and are confident, execute steps 1 to 3 to exit and re-enter the editor, which we did already. तो अब हम लोग कर्सर को मूव करते हैं लेसन नंबर 1.3, which is like third part of the lesson first. So it's kind of text editing, and this is deletion. So press X to delete the character under the cursor. So the character that is under my cursor is currently O. I want to delete. If I want to delete it, and like point to be noted is that I am currently in normal mode. I am not in insert mode. As you can see, there is no insert here. So if I want to like delete this character, then I need to press what? I need to press X. Yes. So the character which is below my cursor is being deleted, as you can see, as I am pressing X. To fix the errors, move the cursor until it is on top of the character to be deleted. Okay. So if I want to now delete the E from this, then I'll press X from this. Okay. And to fix the errors, move the cursor. Okay, press X key to delete the unwanted characters, which I already did. I want to delete X, then I will press X. So now if I want to write X, then I will go into insert mode by pressing I, and I'll write X, and then I'll come back. So now X is there. Okay, so repeat steps 2 through 4 until the sentence is correct. Which sentence? Okay, the cow. Okay, I want to delete this. Now I want to delete this. Now I want to delete this and this and this and this. The sentence is correct. Now that the line is correct, go on lesson 1.4. As you go through this tutor, do not try to memorize, learn by uses. Okay, now let's go to the fourth part of this chapter of this lesson. Okay, so press I to insert the text, which I already did by inserting the X above. Okay, so press I pressed I, and now as you can see, we are in insert mode. So insert mode is like the move the cursor to the first line of the below marked. Okay, yes, so I moved the cursor here and press I to type the necessary additions. I pressed I. As each error is fixed, press escape to return to normal mode. Repeat steps to until the like sentence is correct. Okay, there is text missing. Yes, there is missing. Which text is missing is that MISSI, and here also I want to write. Okay, so I pressed, I think, undo, which is not correct. So I'll go back. I'll write MISS, then I'll go there, and I'll write I here. Okay, so there is some text missing from this line. What? Okay, there is text some. Okay, and then from this from and then I will insert a line here. Okay, so yeah, the sentences are correct. When you are comfortable inserting text, move to lesson 1.5. Let's move to lesson 1.5, which is press A to append the text. Okay, so I undid it. Now I want to okay, now I want to go and write I here. Then I'll come back on another lesson and move the cursor to the first line below. Okay, I move the cursor, and here if you want to append something, then press A to append the text, and the A should be in capital letters. Yes, I think A should be in capital letters. As the text has been appended, press escape. So I will, okay, this line. Okay, so if I want to append a text to a line, then I would press capital A. Okay, so let's do this for this also. So I would press capital A, I would press here, I have appended. Now I'll press escape to exit the normal, like exit to normal mode. Now when you are comfortable appending text, move to lesson 1.6. Let's move to the lesson 1.6 now. Yes, so my hands are a little bit sore I think I need a raised platform for this keyboard because currently my hands are like this. So I think I need to sit down and then do this. Okay, let me adjust it a little bit. I sat down, but I need to check whether yeah, I am currently in position. Let's follow through. Okay, now you go here. I will raise the chair. Now, fine. Save the file, exit with. Okay, so I did this also. Now we will move to lesson 1.6, which is like use w colon wq to save a file and exit. Note, before executing any of the steps below, read the entire lesson. Okay, so if you have access to another terminal, do the following there. Otherwise, exit this tutor as you did in lesson 1.2. At the shell prompt, type this command vim file text. Vim is the command to start the Vim editor. File text is the name of the file you wish to edit. Okay, use the name of the file that you can change. Insert and delete text as you learned in previous lessons. Save the file with changes. Exit Vim with colon wq. Enter. If you have quit Vim tutor in step 1, restart and move to the following summary. So now I want to start another terminal and I want to use WSL. So I'll go there, I'll clear it, and I'll make a file.txt by using Vim, and then I will go into insert mode. I will write something here. Okay, and I think I'll write something here and I'll save. And for saving, I need to exit the insert mode. For that, I'll press escape key and then I will write the command as wq. W means write and q means like quit. After the writing, I want to quit. So now my file is there, as you can see, file.txt. Yes, I'll write something here. So I wrote something in that file, and now I want to delete that file. So I'll delete that file, file.txt. Okay, so that's fine. Now let's move back to our lesson. Okay, so I already did this 1.6 editing a file. We already did this in another terminal window, and now let's see the lesson 1. Yeah, we have finished lesson 1. So now let's see the lesson 1 summary, which is like the cursor moved. Okay, ये command भी पता है. I know colon q exclamation mark also. I know this write and exit also. I know insert command. I never like used append command, but I did need it in the past, but I didn't know that this command existed. So I always used insert command instead of append command. From now on, I'll try to use append also. Okay, append the line and insert before the cursor. So insert command is insert before the cursor and append is append after the line. That's nice. Now let's go to lesson 2, which is like deletion. Okay, type dw to delete a word. Okay, make sure you are in normal mode to do this. So for move the cursor to the beginning of the word that needs to be deleted, type dw to make the word disappear. Note, the letter D will appear on the last line of the screen as you type it. Vim is waiting for you to type W. If you see another character than D, you typed something wrong. Press escape and start over. Okay, so there are some words fun that don't belong here. So fun does not belong here. So as I pressed D, you can see here the D is there. So now Vim is waiting for me to press another button. Now I pressed W. Okay, so it deleted. Okay, I don't know that. So for a word to delete, like for us to delete the entire word after our cursor, we need to be on the first character of that word. Okay, so now I'll go into the normal mode. Then I am at the first character of the word that I want to delete. I'll press D and W. Yes, okay, the word is deleted, and it deleted the the leading space or the space at the end of that word also. I think it did that. Yes, it did that. Oh, that's nice. There are some words that don't belong. Paper. Paper is also should not be here. Paper. I'll go there and okay, I'll go there and I'll type DW in this sentence. Okay, that's fine. Let's go repeat step 3 and 4 until the sentence is correct. Sentence is correct. There are okay. Should not also be here. There are some words okay that don't belong in the sentence. Okay, now the sentence is correct, I think. Now let's go to lesson 2. Okay, more deletion commands. Type D and what is this dollar command, dollar sign, dollar symbol to delete the end of the line. Move the cursor to the line below. Yeah, end of this line twice. I want to delete the line after this, then I would press D, and now as you can see the Vim is waiting for the for another command. I would press colon. It deleted the line after my cursor. It deleted everything that was after my cursor. But there was a okay, so but there was another space in here. If I write something like after space I write something, okay, and then I press the normal key and I come here, and now I want to delete the I want to delete entire line after this. So I need to be on I, or can I be okay, so it will delete the from the cursor. Like if you are on a particular character and your cursor is on a particular character, then that character will also be deleted. So for this space to be deleted, I need to be here. Then I will press D and I'll press the dollar command, and it will delete that particular character also which I was on, like my cursor was on. Okay, so now let's move to another lesson. Lesson 2.3 on operators and motions. Okay, so many commands that let's go over. Many commands that change text are made from operator and a motion. The format for a delete command with the D delete operator is as follows: D and motion. Okay, so D is the command and W is a motion. Motion, W means I think word, and the dollar sign means the entire line after that, after our cursor. So D is the delete operator and motion is what operator will operate on, listed below. W means until the end of the next word, excluding its first character. Until the end of the next word. Okay, so excluding its first character. So the character will not be deleted like the cursor. If I am on a character, like my cursor is on this character and I press DW. Okay. Okay. Start of the next word, excluding the first character. Okay, got it. So like it will, if I press DW here and my cursor is here and I press DW, then it should delete everything till this character, like till the I. Let's do this. I'll try to do this. DW. Yes, it did that. Okay, now I'll press U for undo. Okay, fine. Let's go to another. E means end of the current word. So if I press DE, it should delete till T. It should not delete the extra space between current and word. Yes, it did that. Fine. I'll press undo. So let's go to, okay, so this dollar sign to the end of the line, including the last character. Okay. Thus, typing D will delete the DE will delete the cursor to the end of the word. Okay. Pressing just the motion while in normal mode without an operator will move the cursor as specified. So if I don't like write the delete operator and I want to go to next word, I'll press W. And if I want to go to the end of this particular word, like suppose I am at word dot and I want to go to the end of this, then I'll press E. it will go to the end of that word. And if I want to go to the end of, suppose I am here and I want to go to the end of this line, then I can press dollar. Yes, that's fine. Nice. Pressing just the motion while in normal mode without an operator will move the cursor as specified, which we already saw. And let's do this also. So lesson 2.4, using a count for a motion. Oh, that's such a nice thing to remember, to learn. Typing a number before a motion repeats it that many times. So if I want, suppose if I, let's go here. Let's go there. And I am currently at second word and I want to skip the 3 words next to that, which means I want to go to start of the start word. So then I will press 3. As you can see, the 3 is here, and then I will press W. Yeah, it skipped this word, and this word, and came to the third word. Okay, so 3W means this. And if I want to go to the starting of this word, then I need to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 words. Then I'll press 5 and W. Okay, so I came to this word. That's fine. That's nice. Okay, 3E to move the cursor at the end of the third word. Okay, so if I want to move the cursor to the, let's see, I am here. I want to move the cursor to the last character of this word. Then I need to press 2 and E. Yes, because I want to move, like I want to move to the end of second. Like first I am on the first word, this is the second word, I need to go to the end of the second word, which is why I wrote 2E. And if I want to go to the end of this third word, I would write 3E. Okay, it came. Oh, that's fine. That's nice. That's nice. Let's go. Type 0 to move the start of the line. Okay, 0. Oh, that's such a nice shortcut to remember. I mean, you will need it all the time. All the time. And apart from this, there is something double D command. Double D means delete. I think, yeah, D means delete, and then D is for the deleting entire line or something like that. Okay, so if I delete a particular line, I'm here and I press D and I press the dollar command, then it will delete the entire line. And I can make this back, like I can take this back by pressing U command, which is for undo. And now let's go try. This is just a line with words you can move around in. Yes, I can move around this line, so I'll press 3W, which will take me to the start of line, or it will first is there, so it will take me to a character. Oh no, it skipped 3 words. Okay, so if I want to go to U, then I'll press 3 and W. Yeah, okay, so it skipped 3 words and it took me to the fourth. Yeah, okay. So if I want to go to N, then I need to skip 4 words. So I'll skip 4 words. I am at N. That's nice. Let's go to another lesson. How many lessons are there? I don't know. But let's go to another lesson. Okay. So this is lesson 2.5, using a count to delete more. Typing a number with an operator repeats it that many times. So in the combination of the delete operator and a motion mentioned above, you insert a count before the motion to delete more. Okay, so if I want to delete 2 words, I will write D2W. So it's like the operator, like, sorry, the command or the operator and the number of times you want to, like the count and the motion command. So if I want to this ABCDE line FJK for words cleaned up. Okay, so I want to delete 2 words, so I will delete 2 words. Okay, now I want to delete 4 words. I want to delete 4. Okay, I'll come here. Now I want to delete 4 words. Yes, now I'll come to here. I want to delete 3 words. Yeah, nice. Type dd to delete a whole line. dd समझ रहे हो आप? dd fan comment. So if I am at, like, regardless of the cursor position in a particular line, if I want to delete the entire line, I'll press double D. Okay, doubling the operator on line also works for operators mentioned below. किस किस के लिए वर्क करता है उस पे काम करते हैं. अन, अन, अन. I'll go back. I'll press U to undo. Delete. Doubling the operator on a line also works for operators mentioned below. Okay, so press U to undo the last command. Capital U to fix a whole line. Move the cursor to the line marked here. Okay, so I pressed U and then I will press D 3W. Yes, this line is cleaned up. Okay, so what I need to do in lesson 2.6, which is the undo command. Lessons 2.7, sorry. Lesson 2.7 is for undo command. What I'll do, I'll fix the errors on this line and replace them with undo. So first I'll need to fix the errors. So I fixed errors on this line, replace them with sorry, okay, with undo. So for deleting or fixing the whole line, I'll press capital U. And if I want to, like, fix one command, then I'll press small u. If I want to fix the entire line that I changed, then I'll press capital U. If I want to, like, go back one command that I did, so then I need to press small u. That's okay. I understand this. Now let's go to, these are very useful commands. Okay, so control R while hitting R a few times to redo the command. Okay, type U, capital U. Type U to undo the last command executed. This time fix all the errors on the line using the X command. And now type a capital U to return the line to its original state. Now type U a few times to undo the capital U and preceding commands. Now type capital R, keeping control key pressed while hitting R a few times. Capital R. Okay, so it will redo. I will write this and then I will go here. I'll do this and then I will go to the second word and then I will do this. I will go to the second word, then I will do this. Yes. Now I want to go back. Then how? I'll press 0 to go to the end of the line. Then I want to go to the fourth word, which is this. I will do this. I think, yeah, everything is fixed now. Now let's go to another. Capital R is for redo. That's I think that's how it works. Capital U for undo, capital R for, no, capital Z for undo, and capital Y for control Y. Sorry, not capital. Okay. Lesson 2 summary. Lesson 2 summary is to delete from the cursor up to the next word, type DW. To delete from the cursor up to the end of the word, type DE. To delete from the cursor to the end of a line, type D and $sign. To delete a whole line, type double D, DD. To repeat a motion, prepend it with a number, 2W. To the format for a change command is operator, then number, then motion. Where operator is what to do, such as D for delete and U for undo and R, controller for redo. Okay. And the number is like how many times you want that operator or that motion of the combination to work. So if you want to work it for 2 times, then you need to write 2 between your motion and your operator. So like D to W means you want to delete 2 words. Okay, let's go to next. To move the start of the line, press 0. Okay, and I press 0. I am at the start of the line. And now if I want to go to the end of the next, start of the next word, then I'll press DW, which is not there. Wow. Oh, okay. So by pressing DW, what I did was I deleted the entire word. Okay. Now, if I want to go to the end of this, like to the start of the next word, I'll press W, which is not there. So it takes me to the another line. Nice. That's nice. Let's talk about lesson 3 also. Type P to put previously deleted text after the cursor. P. P. Okay, move to the cursor to the first line. I moved it. Type dd to delete the line and store it in a Vim register. Okay, so dd means deleted and it stored. It is stored in the Vim register. Now, type P to put the line below the cursor. Move the cursor to the line C. I will move the cursor to the line C. Okay, above where the deleted line should go, type P to put the line below the cursor. Nice. So it will put the line back which I deleted, or put it like by pressing the double D command. I deleted it and stored it in a register. If I want to paste it, kind of paste it to the line below my cursor is on, then I'll need to press P. A small letter, nothing else. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I want to make them into order. I'll go here. I'll press P and now I will ABCD. Okay, so everything is in order. Now I'll go to the replace command. Type RX. 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 I know. हाँ, डॉक्टर्स की जब तुम पर्चा लिखवाने जाते हो तो वहाँ पे RX लिखा होता है. वो आई थिंक किसके लिए होता है मुझे याद था बट मैं भूल गया. RX शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है किसी चीज. मैं भूल गया. चलो कभी और देखते हैं. So okay, let's go back. Move the cursor to the first line marked below. Okay, I'll move the cursor and then move the cursor so that it is in the top of the first error. Top of the first error is like, okay, so I'll move how to say W. I am here and I will press X or type R and then the character that should be there. R means to replace. Yes, so R is there and I want to write what character is that which needs to be there is E. Okay, so it replaced it. Oh, nice. When this lime was one when this lime, so I will go to the second word and I will replace it with N and then I will go to the second word. Okay, I'll do undo. I went into insert mode. Undo. I'll go to this and this should be okay. Repeat. Repeat step 2 and 3 until the first line is equal to the second one. So I want to repeat. This is like RY and this is RP, not ON. RP. Okay, and I would want to delete it. Okay, in someone pressed means RE, and I will go to the second word and here I will replace it with N, and yeah, everything looks fine to me. Now let's go to another lesson. Now move on to lesson 3.3. Remember that you should be learning by doing, not memorization. I know, that's why I am doing something, everything. Okay, so lesson 3.3, the change operator. To change until the end of a word, type CE. Okay, let's go back and try this. This is loop. So I'll go to the second word and this is, I want to change to the end of the word. I will write CE and now I'll write line. Okay, so if I want to change to the end of the word, I will write words and now okay, I want to change this to the end of the word. I need to write need. Now let's go back to the normal mode. Now I want to change this word to the end of the word. I will write using. Now let's go back. Okay. Uh, let's go. Notice CE deletes the word and places you in insert mode. CC does the same for the whole line. CC. Okay, so double thing is there also. If I want to change the entire line, then I'll press CC. If I want to change just till the end of the word, I'll press CE. That's fine. So if I want, oh, okay, more changes using C number of motion. Let's go to lesson 3.4. I think for now, for today's video, only till lesson 3 will be there. I'll read the summary and then we'll say our goodbyes. Okay, so let's read the lesson 3.4 first. More changes using C. The change operator is used with same motions as delete. Okay, the change operator works in the same way as delete. The format is C number motion. The motions are the same, such as W for word and the $sign for the end of the line. Move the cursor to the first line below marked by this. Move the cursor to the first error. Okay, so I will first move the cursor here and I'll move to the start of the line by pressing 0. And now I move the cursor to the first error. The cursor should be after 1 2 3 4 5 6 words, I think. So I'll go to 6 words. Yeah, no, 7 words. So I'll go to word. Okay, so now I want to change the entire line after this. So I will press C and dollar to be corrected using the C dollar command. This line needs to be corrected using the C dollar command. Okay, so I need to press I will change this word, change till the end of the word, and now I'll go back. So if I want to go to HW, HW2, no, if I want to go back like in this direction, then how? I need to figure this out. I'm really inquisitive about it. You can use the backspace key to correct the mistakes while typing. Oh, that's such a nice idea. I didn't know that I can do it, but yeah, I can do it. Cursor location and file location. Let's read this, like leave this for the next video. Lesson 3 summary. To put back text that has been deleted, type P. This puts the deleted text after the cursor. If a line was deleted, it will go on the line below the cursor. To replace the character under the cursor, type R and then the character you want to have there. The change operator allows you to change from the cursor to where the motion takes you. That is type C to change from the cursor to the end of the word. C dollar to change to the end of the line. The format for change is this. Okay, that's all for today. For now, I'll save it by this command WQ. Fine. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, you can comment and you can abuse me in the comment section. Yeah, I'm waiting for it. And if you did enjoy it, consider subscribing. Consider joining me on this journey of this new realm of software engineering that I didn't wanted to get into at first, but then I got into. Okay, guys, see you in the next time. Bye bye. Take care.